All right, well, here it is, April, what is it, 15th? No, April 13th, huh? April 13th, 2023. There's Tyson. And we have a snowstorm. Sorry about the noise, lots of traffic. Anyway, so this will be great because it's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow and the rest of the week, and 60s. So this is really going to help with the flooding. But hey, the lakes and reservoirs are going to look great this summer, so. Holy crap. Anyway, just a short video to show you what we're dealing with. Hope everyone's safe and sound. Have an awesome Thursday. Bye.